firstly, Shagun, welcome to IWM Class. Shagun, I have a fun segment with you. Let's keep it weird, some weird questions with you. The first one is, how should your dream bathroom look like?
Dream bathroom? Oh, okay. I have thought about it so many times. So I want my dream bathroom to have a steam section, and then I want a shower जो इस side से ऊपर से पूरा अच्छा वाला lavish shower होता है. That I don't want a bathtub because मुझे उससे बहुत आलस आता है and I don't like it. I want a big mirror in my bathroom, and it all should be the sink, the WC, the shower area should be like rose gold, and the tiles and all should be white.
Okay. What is the weirdest gift you have ever received?
Weirdest? Yeah, once my friend gave me a purse which is like literally this tiny. Only a lipstick can fit. So that I think can be the weirdest gift I've ever received. I've not even used it once because what do I put? My keys also don't fit in that. One small lipstick fits, that's it. So that.
Okay. What is the weirdest thing you have ever bought?
I do buy weird things. I buy a lot of weird things. Yeah, so there was this machine, that if you roll like this, would take the hair off your leg. But it doesn't work, so don't spend your money in that.
Yeah. And hair removal is there, that some like laser light type.
That works. I have that also. But that was like a very weird thing, and I'm like, why do I even have this? It doesn't work. And I still have it. I've not thrown it. I don't know why.
Okay. Okay. What is the weirdest thing you have bought and that is in your cupboard only, or anyone have gave you?
Nothing like that. No. Just this one thing I bought, and I'm like, oh my god, why did I buy this? And other than that, must be a few outfits जो मैंने कभी impulsive होके खरीद लिए कि मुझे चाहिए and then पहनी ही नहीं. Other than that, मैं कुछ weird चीज नहीं लेती. I'm very confused.
What is that one thing of weird combination of a fusion of food you have done? What is the one thing about the combination of food you have tried? We can say that.
So I tried mango and rice. Because it is a very famous dish you get in Bangkok in Thailand. It's called sticky rice. So I tried to have it here also, but it didn't taste
good. Okay. What is that weirdest thing about yourself that you want to bring change in that? What is a weird habit we can say you have that you want to change? Nail biting.
My fingers, they start to bleed, but I don't stop.
Yeah.
I have a very weird habit of biting my finger. These cuticles, not even nails. My nails are very safe. But the skin around it, oh my god. I have that very bad habit.
What is that one thing a person can do according to weird thing?
Like random thing?
Randomly, anything. You find something weird that a person shouldn't do, or they should be avoid that particular stuff.
I would say when you have people around you or you are with someone, don't use your phone too much. I get really like, why you have to be on your phone when you have real people around? You would rather message people who are not around than be with the people and be present in the moment that you are there, So that is one thing I don't like when people are too much into their phones.
What is that one weird conversation you have overheard about yourself?
No, I haven't heard anything weird about myself ever. I think I'm not that famous that people do conversations or start rumors about me yet. But yes, keep waiting.
Okay, so finally, Shagun, any message for the fans who are loving you and your character deeply?
This message is only and only, definitely only and only for the people who are loving me and my character, because I only support you guys. I just want to say that the new year has just begun.
Yeah.
So be very happy in your life and make a list of things that you think you want to achieve and start working on it from today itself, because that will really help you out in the longer period. I do that personally, and I think it's a very good habit to write your goals down. So yeah, write your goals down and tell yourself every day that yeah, I can achieve and I'm going to achieve my goals.
Yeah. So any New Year's resolution is there from your side?
I have to stop biting my criticals.
Okay, any bucket list you want to tick it off? No, you have to just tick it. Any bucket list you have to do in this coming days?
I want to go to Philippines, but I don't know if I'll get to. Yeah, I want to go to Philippines and I want to get a little punctual with my workout routine, because I'm not working out and I get very lazy when I have an off. I should use that day to work out, but I don't. So that.
Okay, all the best, Shagun, for your upcoming projects, your show, and I hope we will see you completing all your dreams through day by day.
Thank you.
Thank you and all the best. Bye. Take care.
Same to you. Bye-bye.